స్టార్ట్ అవ్వలేదా? Right, ma. Morning, all of you. In last class, we discussed simplifications. In last class, ma, we discussed already, ma. I told already for you why we bought mass rule, as well as ma fractions based basic operations, as well as ma decimals based basic operations. So how to find the squares, how to find the cubes, square root, cube root. Right, ma? Now today we are discussing ma. Sometimes we will get the questions based on the percentage concepts also ma. Percentage concepts ma. Now we are discussing ma percentage concepts ma. While in simplifications ma. Right ma. So basically the word percent means ma. Here ma. Per means for every ma. Per means for every ma. Whereas the cent means 100 ma. Per means for every, whereas the cent means 100 ma. Nothing but ma. Percent means for every 100 ma. For every 100. For example, 2 percentage ma. 2 percentage is there ma. 2% means 2 by 100 ma. 2% means 2 by 100 ma. So any percentage means ma out of 100 ma. Out of 100 ma. 2% nothing but ma 2 by 100. 3% nothing but ma 3 by 100. If in case x percentage is there ma, what we can write ma? X percent means ma x by 100 ma. X by 100 ma. This is the first basic and fundamental important thing ma. Right ma. Next ma, other than this ma, in percentages ma, we have to know that ma. We have to know that here ma, we are having two kinds of conversions. One conversion is fraction to percentage ma. Fraction to percentage. For example ma, 3 by 5 fraction is there. If you wanted to convert in terms of percentage ma, if you wanted to convert in terms of percentage, then we should multiply with 100 ma. 3 by 5 into 100. 5 ones, 5 twenties, 3 into 20 ma 60 percentage, 60 percentage ma. Right ma. Whenever you wanted to convert fraction to percentage, multiply with 100 ma. 3 by 5 into 100 nothing but 60 percentage. It is one kind of conversion. And one more is ma reverse. That means percentage to fraction ma. Percentage to fraction ma. Now for example ma, 30 percentage is there ma. If you wanted to convert in terms of fraction ma, then we should divide with 100 ma. We should divide with 100. 30 by 100 ma. 0 0 cancel. What is fraction ma? 3 by 10 ma. 3 by 10 ma. Here ma, we are having two kinds of conversions. One is fraction to percentage and one more is ma percentage to fraction ma. While converting fraction to percentage into 100, percentage to fraction ma by 100, right ma. These are the major conversions ma. Is it clear ma? Now next ma, and in percentage ma, and one more thing we have to know that ma standard fractions ma. Standard fractions ma. For example, 1 by 2 fraction is there ma. 1 by 2. Whenever we wanted to convert in terms of percentage, how can we convert ma? Into 100 ma. Into 100 ma. By multiplying the 100 ma. By multiplying the 100 ma. So what will you get ma? By multiplying 100 ma with cancellation with 2 ma. What your answer ma? 50 percentage. 50 percentage. Next 1 by 3 into 100. 33.33 percentage, or 33 1 by 3%, 33.33 percentage, or 33 1 by 3 percentage. Next ma, 1 by 4 into 100 ma. 1 by 4 into 100 ma, 25 percentage. Next ma, 1 by 5 into 100 ma, 20 percentage. Next ma 1 by 6 into 100 ma 16.66 percentage or 16 2 by 3% ma 16.66 percentage or 16 2 by 3 percentage. Is it clear ma? Now next ma 1 by 7 ma 14.28 percentage or 14 2 by 7 percentage. 1 by 8 ma into 100 ma 12.5 percentage or 12 and half percentage. 1 by 9 ma into 100 11 1 by 9 percentage or 11.11 percentage. 1 by 10 ma into 100 ma 10 percentage. 1 by 11 into 100 ma 9 1 by 11 percentage or 9.09 percentage. 1 by 12 into 100 ma 8.33% or 8 1 by 3%. Up to 1 by 12 ma these all are ma very important ma. These all the standard fractions ma. Up to 1 by 12 very important ma. Right ma 1 by 2 how much percentage ma 50 ma. 1 by 3 33.33 ma. Shall you see ma how to remember ma, how to remember. First of all 1 by 2 ma 1 by 2 is nothing but ma half. 1 by 2 is nothing but ma half. Half is nothing but ma 50 ma. Especially no need to remember for that ma. Half is nothing but ma 50 percentage ma. Now if you observe careful ma, in this fraction what we call 1 ma, 1 is called the numerator and 2 is called as ma denominator. Observe carefully ma, when 2 became 4 ma, 2 became 4 means ma it is became double ma, double. I am talking about ma denominator. When 2 is became 4 ma it's became ma double. So when the denominator is double ma, then the percentage will becomes ma half. What is the half of 50 ma 25. When denominator is double ma, then percentage becomes ma half. Half of 50 is 25 percentage. Now 4, what is the double of 4 ma? Double of 4 will be 8 ma, 8 ma. When 1 by 8 ma, 1 by 8 ma, half of 25. What is the half of 25 ma? 12.5. See ma, half of 25 ma 12.5 percentage. 8 ma, what is the double of 8 ma? 16. I'm not wrote that ma. I not wrote that. If it is 16 is here, your answer will be half of 12.5. What is the half of 12.5 ma? 6.25 percentage. 6.25%, right ma? 1 by 2 how much percent ma? 15. 1 by 4 25. 1 by 8 12.5. 1 by 16 ma 6.25%, right ma? Next ma 1 by 3 ma 33.33 percentage. 1 by 3 ma 33.33 ma. Whenever 3 is there you will get all the 3's ma. 1 by 3 ma 33.33. Double of 3, what is the double of 3 ma? 6. Double of 3 ma 6. When denominator is double ma, then the percentage will becomes for half. Half of 33.33 is 16.66. 16.6, right ma? 6 double ma, what is the double of 6 ma? 12. If it is double ma, it will becomes for half. What is the half of 16 ma? 8.33. Observe ma here, 1 by 12 ma 8.33. 1 by 12 8.33, right ma? Whenever denominator is double ma, then percentage will becomes ma half. If it is in case double of 12 ma, what is the double of 12 ma? 24. If it is 24 will be there ma, it will becomes ma half ma. That means 4.33 is there ma. Roughly take it as 32 ma, 32 ma. So 4.166 ma, 4.166 ma. Is it clear ma? That means whenever denominator is double ma, percentage will becomes ma half. Next ma 1 by 5 20% ma, round of value ma, round of value. What is the double of 5 ma? 10. If it is double ma, it will become for half. What is the half of 20 ma? 10 percentage. 10% ma. 1 by 5 how much percent ma? 20. 1 by 10 ma 10 percentage. Okay na, right ma? Next ma observe ma these two ma. 9, 11. It's not double, ma. It's not double, but 1 by 9 means 1 by 9 only there. In front of this, we are getting ma 11. 1 by 11 means 1 by 11 only, ma. In front of we are getting ma 9. That means fraction part same only. Front part will interchanges, ma. When 9 is there, we are getting 11, ma. When 11 is there, we are getting ma 9, ma. Fractions remain same only, ma. Now, what is 1 by 9, ma? 11, 1 by 9. What is 1 by 11, ma? 9, 1 by 11. Is it clear, ma? Right, ma? Now, still, what is the balance, ma? 1 by 7, ma. He was alone person, ma. We should remember this one, ma, in this way only. 1 by 7, ma, 14.28 or 14 2 by 7, ma. Now, once we'll recollect, ma. 1 by 2, how much percent, ma? 50. 1 by 3, 33.33. 1 by 4, 25. 1 by 5, 20. 1 by 6, ma? 16.66. 1 by 7, ma? 14.28. 1 by 8, 12.5. 1 by 9, 11. 1 by 9. 1 by 10, ma? 10 percentage. 1 by 11, 9. 1 by 11. 1 by 12, 8.32. Up to 1 by 12, ma, these all are very, very important and we should remember each and every one, ma. Is it clear, ma? Those we have to remember in both ways, ma. We have to remember in forward or both reverse way, ma. If in case if I ask 25% is nothing but what is the fraction, ma? 1 by 4. If I ask 1 by 5 means 20%, ma. 8.33% means 1 by 12. We have to remember both ways, forward and backward, ma. We have to know, ma, both the ways, right, ma? Now, next, ma. In percentage, ma, we have to know the standard fractions as well as we have to know minimum fundamental thing, ma, how to take 10%, how to take 1%, ma. For example, one number, ma, 6, 4, 9, 7, 5, one number is there, ma, 6, 4, 9, 7, 5. In this number, ma, 10%, ma. Always remember, ba, whenever you require 10% in any number, ba, when we require, ba, 10% in any number, just ba, put to the point before the last one digit, ba. Put the point before the last one digit, last one digit, ba. So put the point before of the 5. So what is the 10%, ba? 6, 4, 9, 7.5. 6497.5. 6497.5. Is it clear, ma? Whenever we require 10%, ma, we should put the point before the last one digit. Last one digit. Okay, na? In the same way, ma, whenever we require 1%, whenever you require 1%, ma, put the point before the last two digits. Last two digits. So, what is the 1% value, ma? 649.75. Okay, na, ma? When we require 10%, put the point before the last one digit. 1%, ma, before the last 2 digits. In the same way, ma, by keeping the point here, ma, 10. By keeping here, ma, 1. If you keep the point here, ma, becomes, ma, 0.1. Step by step, ma, value decreases, ma. 10, 1, 0.1. If you move some more, ma, 0.1, ma. Okay, na, 0.1, 0.01. We will in this one. So, one thing I will write, ma. What is the 0.1 percentage, ma? 64.975. Okay, these are all fundamental things, ma. Standard fractions, how to take 10, how to take 1, how to take 0.1, ma. For example, question is in this way, ma. Question is 33 1 by 3% of 8 to 10 is how much, ma? 33 1 by 3% of 8. Just now we learn the fractions, ma. Just ma, recollect, ma. Recollect. What is the 33 1 by 3%, ma? 33 1 by 3%, nothing but which fraction value, ma? 1 by 3. 1 by 3. So in the place of this, what we can replace, ma? 1 by 3. By writing 1 by 3, ma, 1 by 3 into 8 to 10. By cancelling, ma, 3 ones, 3 2 just 6. 21 3 sevens. So what is the answer, ma? 270. 270. Is it clear, ma? Okay, now if you remember the fraction, ma, then you can save the time, ma. I will say one more, ma. For example, question is 12.5% of 960. What is 12.5% of it? Just now we saw, ma, 12.5 means what is the fraction, ma? 1 by 8. 1 by 8. So in the place of 12.5, ma, what you can substitute, ma? 1 by 8. By writing 1 by 8, ma, 1 by 8 into 960. By cancelling with, ma, 8. 8 1 8. 1 balance, ma, 16. 8 2s. So what is the answer, ma? 120, ma. 120. 120. If you know the fractions values, ma, we can simplify very easily, ma. Okay, now In case ma, I wanted to find ma 48% of 450 ma. Simply, how can we calculate ma 48% of 450 ma? 48% ma, we can break it as ma 50% minus 2 percentage ma. 50 percentage minus 2 percentage. 50% minus 2%. 50% nothing but ma half of the number, half. But the half of 450 ma 225 minus 2 percentage. Just now I shown ma how to take the 1 percentage ma, put the point before the last two digits. So 1% means ma 4.5, 4.5. 2% means ma 4.5 plus 4.5, how much ma? 9. So subtract ma 225 minus 9. 225 minus 9. How much ma? 216. 216. Okay ma? How to take 48% ma? 50% minus 2 percentage ma. In case I gave in this way ma 23 percentage of 5060 ma. How to take 23 percentage ma? We can break it as ma 20% plus 3 percentage. 20% plus 3. How to take the 20 percentage ma? 10 percentage means ma put the point before the last one digit. What is the 10 percentage ma? 506. 10% ma 506 ma. Whereas 20 percentage ma 506, 506. How much ma? 506, 506 means ma 1012 plus 3 percentage. How to take the 3 percentage ma? First of all, what is the 1% of this number ma? What I said ma, whenever we require 1% ma, put the point before the last two digits. So put the point before the last digit ma. By keeping the point ma, what will happen ma? 1 percentage means ma 50.6 ma. 50.6. But we require 1% or 3% ma? 3 percentage. 3%. That means 50.6 ma. How many times ma? 3 times. 50.6 ma 3 times. By taking 3 times, what will you get ma? 50, 50, 50 ma 150. 0.63 times means ma 1.8. So what you can write ma? 151.8. 151.8. By adding both the together ma, 0.8 is common ma. 1 plus 2 ma 3, 5 plus 1 ma 6, 1, 1. So what is the answer ma? 1163.8. Is it clear ma? That means in simplifications ma, we have to know standard fractions as well as ma how to take 10%, how to take 1%. These are the primary and mandatory things ma while doing in simplifications ma. Okay na? What is the 1 by 2? How much percent ma? 1 by 2 ma 50. 1 by 3 ma 33.33. 1 by 4 25. 1 by 5 ma 20. 1 by 6 ma 16.66. 1 by 7 14.28 ma. 1 by 8 12.5. 1 by 9 11. 1 by 9 1 by 10 ma 10 percentage. 1 by 11 ma 9. 1 by 11 1 by 12 8.33. And what I said ma, when we require 10% ma, put the point before the last one digit. When we require 1% ma, put the point before the last two digits. Right ma? Is it clear ma? Now I said ma percentage based examples. Now we are moving ma formula based examples. Formula ma. So this formula already we learned in school maths also ma. Just ma once ma. If you observe ma, a plus b whole square formula, a square plus 2ab plus b square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Next ma, a minus b whole square ma. What is a minus b whole square ma? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Next ma, by subtracting these two formulas ma, by subtracting these two formulas, what will happen ma? By subtracting those two formulas ma, a square cancel ma, b square cancel. 2ab plus 2ab ma 4ab. Next ma, by adding those two formulas ma, by adding those two formulas ma, 2ab gets cancelled ma. 2 times of a square, 2 times of b square, but nothing but 2 of a square plus b square. What is the a plus b whole square ma? A square plus 2ab plus b square ma. A minus b whole square ma? A square minus 2ab plus b square. By adding the formulas, 2 of a square plus b square ma. By subtracting ma, 4ab ma. 4ab, right ma? Next ma, same thing ma. This one ma, a plus b ma. A plus b ma. So whenever you want the a plus b whole, a plus b, just for a plus b ma, under root of a minus b whole square plus 4ab. Okay na? Right ma? In the same way ma, a minus b ma, under root of a plus b whole square minus 4ab ma. Next ma, a plus b whole square plus a b. This already we are repeated ma. Right, sorry. A plus b into a minus b ma. What is the formula? A square minus b square ma. A plus b into a minus b ma. A square minus b square. Right ma. Now next ma, a power 4 minus b power 4 ma. We can write this one as ma, a square minus b square into a square plus b square. Again in the place of a square minus b square, what you can write ma? A plus b into a minus b. Is it clear ma? This all ma will learn by a plus b plus c whole square ma. A square plus b square plus c square. 2 of ab plus bc plus ca ma. 2 of ab plus bc plus ca ma. Right ma? Is it clear ma? Now a plus b minus c whole square ma. These all the things ma, we have to know that ma. Now here ma, a cube plus b cube by a square minus ab plus b square ma. A cube plus b cube by a square minus ab plus b square ma. So we can write as ma, a plus b ma. A plus b ma. Next ma, a cube minus b cube by a square plus ab plus b square is equals to a minus b ma. These all the things ma, we have to know ma. Next ma, it is also ma, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca is equals to half of a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square ma. Half of a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square ma. Okay na? Now a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equals to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus c. Already I note that ma, in the place of this, one we can substitute this one ma, in the place of, so that is only we wrote here, half of a plus b plus c into a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square. And one more thing ma, whenever ma this a plus b plus c term is 0 ma, this entire thing will becomes ma 0. If a plus b plus 0 ma, a plus b plus c is 0, entire will becomes ma 0. Then what will happen ma, a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equals to 3abc. That is I note ma, a cube plus b cube plus c cube equals 3abc. When it is ma, whenever a plus b plus c is equals to 0 ma, not always ma. When a plus b plus c is 0 ma, a cube plus b cube plus c cube equals to, we can write as ma 3abc ma. These all the formulas ma, we learnt in school maths ma. We have to know this, all this basic formula. Okay na? Right ma. Now we are looking my examples. Observe carefully ma. Observe carefully. What is the question ma? 17 by 15 into 17 by 15 plus 2 by 15 into 2 by 15 minus 17 by 15 into 4 by 15. Observe ma, what is the answer of this ma? Now let assume 17 by 15 ma, assume as a, ma. 17 15 assume as a ma, whereas 2 by 15 is there no? 2 by 15 ma, assume as b. Now observe carefully ma, 17 by 15 how many times repeated ma? 2 times. Nothing but ma, a square plus 2 by 15 how many times repeated ma? 2 times. Nothing but b square minus 17 by 15 nothing but a into, observe carefully ma, these 4 we can write as ma 2 into 2. 4 we can write as ma 2 into 2. 2 by 15 nothing but ma b and into 2 ma. So a into b into 2. So observe carefully, that is which formula format ma? A square plus b square minus 2ab. A square plus b square minus 2ab, that is the formula for a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square. That means 17 by 15 minus 2 by 15 whole square. Denominators are same. Denominators are same. In your last class, I told for you ma, when denominators are same, directly we should move to the numerators. 17 minus 2. 17 minus 2 how much ma? 15. 15 by 15 nothing but ma 1. So what is the answer ma? 1 ma. Answer is ma 1. Is it clear ma? Okay na? Yes ma. We should observe that ma, that is in which formula format ma? Which formula format? Okay. Now we are moving to next example ma. Now once observe carefully and tell me the answer ma. Observe carefully and tell me the answer ma. That is in which formula format and tell me the answer ma. Right, pa? Now, option C, option C. Right, ma. Option C, ma. Correct, ma. Now, that is in which formula format, ma? A cube plus B cube by A square minus AB plus B square, ma. That is in which formula format, ma? A cube plus B cube by A square minus AB plus B square. It is the formula for which one, ma? A plus B. A plus B. So that means A plus B means, as per the formula, 6.714 plus 3.286. By adding ma 10, 1 carry, 10, 1 carry, 10, 1 carry, 10. So what is the answer, ma? 10. Answer is ma 10. So right, option C is correct answer, ma. So that is in which formula format, ma? A cube plus B cube by A square minus AB plus B square, ma. Nothing but the formula is A plus B plus B. Okay, ma. Right, ma. Next, ma. Observe carefully, ma. Again, same. Just I change the numbers, ma. I change the numbers, ma. So 0.034. So how many times repeating, ma? 3 times. Nothing but A cube plus B cube by A square minus AB plus B square. Again, what is the answer of that, ma? A plus B. A plus B. As per the formula, ma. A is, ma. What is the A value, ma? 0.0347 plus B, ma. What is the B value, ma? B means, ma, 0.9653. Right, ma? 10, 1 carry, 10, 1 carry, 10, 1 carry, 10, 1 carry. So what is the answer? 1.000. Nothing but answer is, ma, 1. Right, answer is 1, ma. Right? A same formula format, ma. A cube plus B cube by A minus AB plus B square, ma. Right, ma. Now, try this, ma. Once, ma, try this. Observe that in which formula format and try that, ma. Eight point three seven six square minus 1.624 square by 1.624 minus 8.376 plus 25. Any answers, ma? Right. Shall we see and observe carefully, ma? Let us assume, ma, 8.376, ma. 8.376, ma, assume as A. A. Okay, now 1.624 assume as B. 8.376, ma, assume as A. 1.64 assume as B. Observe carefully. That is which formula format, ma? A square minus B square by reverse order is there, in denominator, but reverse order. B minus A plus 25. It is different number, normal number. Okay, A square minus B square by B minus A plus 25. What is the formula of A square minus B square, ma? A plus B into A minus B. A square minus B square formula, ma? A plus B into A minus B. By taking minus as a common, what you can write, ma? A minus B plus 25. Observe carefully, ma. A minus B gets cancelled. What is the balance, ma? Minus of A plus B. Minus of A plus B. Already we assumed, ma, A has 8.376, ma, B has 1.4. So by adding these, how much, ma? 10. So minus 10 plus 25. So 25 minus 10, how much ma? 15. So our answer is ma 15. 15. Option C ma. Option C. Right ma. Option C ma 15. Right ma. Is it clear? Now, right ma. Some people are given option C ma. Right ma. Is it clear? Right? Now. Now try this ma. Try this. 96 square minus 84 square is equals to 15 into question mark square. Now that is in which formula for bit ma? 96 square minus 84 square, nothing but ma a square minus b square. What is the formula of a square minus b square ma? A plus b into a minus b. As per the formula, what you can write ma? 96 plus 84 into 96 minus 84 is equal same of 15 into question mark square. That is normal only. Right now? Now, that is in the formula of a plus b ma 96 plus 84. By doing the addition of that ma, how much ma? 180 into 96 minus 84. How much ma? 12 equal to 15 into question mark square. 15 ones, 15 12s. Nothing but ma 12 square ma. 12 square is equals to question mark square. That means what is the question mark value ma? 12. Question mark equals to 12. Right ma? Option 1, it's not 144 ma. Option A ma. Option D. Option D ma. It's not option A ma. Option D. Some people are giving option A ma. It's not option A ma. Option D ma. Option D ma. Is it clear ma? Answer is 12. 12. Now try this ma. The root of 0.798 whole square plus 0.404 into 0.798 plus 0.202 whole square plus 1. Now, if you observe carefully, ma, it is a square plus b ma. It is b square. It is 2a ma. So under root ma, in under root, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Outside one is there, ma, write down one as it is. So in under root ma, there is the format of a square plus 2ab plus b square ma. Nothing but ma, what is the formula of this ma? A plus b whole square plus 1. Square and root will get same. What is the balance ma? A plus b. A plus b nothing but ma 0.798 plus 0.202. 0.798 plus 0.202 ma. 0.78 0.202. Right ma, answer is 2 ma. 0.798 plus 0.202 is nothing but ma 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1, what is the answer ma? 2 ma. Option B. Right ma, option B. Right ma. Now next ma. Now try this for the positive square root of zero point 0.6 into 0.6 into 0.6 plus zero point 0.4 into zero point 0.4 into zero point 0.4 plus 3 into zero point 0.6 into zero point 0.4 is equals to. Try this one. Now, the positive square root of the question. Here, zero point 0.6 ma 3 times repeated, zero point 0.4 also 3 times repeated ma. If you assume 0.6, assume as A ma. 0.6 assume as A and zero point 0.4 assume as B. Question the positive square root of 0.6 ma 3 times repeated ma. Nothing but ma A cube nothing but A cube plus B cube plus 3AB. Our question is A cube plus B cube plus 3AB. So A cube plus 0.6 assume as A ma, 0.4 assume as B, A cube plus B cube plus 3AB. Actually, there is no formula for A cube plus B cube plus 3AB ma. The formula is there. When the formula is there ma, if 3AB into A plus B. If it is beside A plus B ma, if beside A plus B is there, then that is the formula of A plus B whole cube. Here A plus B not there ma, but if it is A plus B is there ma, that is the formula of A plus B. Not there, but we can write ma. We can write because by doing the addition of 0.6 plus 0.4 is how much ma? 1. So nothing will change ma. So that's why we can write ma A plus B. So nothing but there is a formula of A plus B whole cube. A plus B whole cube in under root ma. 0.6 plus 0.4 is nothing but ma 1. So answer is ma 1 ma 1. Option B. Right ma. Option B. Two persons are saying ma option B ma. Right ma. Option B is correct answer ma. Okay na? Now next ma. Try this one. Cube the root of triple three cube plus triple three cube plus 334 cube minus 3 into triple three into triple three into 334 is equal to. Observe carefully ma, that is in which formula format ma. Let us assume ma triple three. This triple three ma assume as A. This triple three assume as B. This three therefore assume as ma C. So it is one assume as A ma, it one assume as B, it one assume as C. Now there is in under root ma, in cube root, that the formula is A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. Now, already in formula list ma, I shown clearly in formula list ma. This is A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC is equals to A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus C ma. It is one formula. We are not using this one ma. We are not using this one. We are using ma this one ma. It is. It is applicable. Half of A plus B plus C into A minus B whole square plus B minus C whole square plus C minus 1. We are not using this one ma. We are using second. Two formula is there, two formula. We are using a second half of A plus B plus C into A minus B whole square plus B minus C whole square plus C minus A whole square. As per the formula ma. As per that. As per that ma. Half of A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C means 333 plus 333 plus 334 ma. 333 plus 333 plus 334. By adding that ma 1000 into a minus b whole square. A minus b means ma 333 minus 333 ma 0 ma 0 plus b minus c ma 333 minus 334 ma minus 1 whole square means ma 1 only plus c minus a ma 334 minus 333 ma nothing but 1 whole square ma, so answer is 1. 1 plus 1 how much ma 2, this 2 will cancel. What is the answer ma 1000. Actually answer is 1000 ma, answer is 1000, but for that we are having cube the root, so cube the root of 1000 ma, cube the root of 1000 is nothing but how much ma 10. Answer ma option C. Is it clear ma? So that is the format of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc ma. That is the formula. What is the formula? Half of a plus b plus c into a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square. Right ma? Clear ma? Now we are moving to next ma. We have to know all the formula. If you know the formula, then we can give the answer within seconds ma. You will get the idea also ma. Okay, that's why already I given the list of formula ma. Okay now next. Now up to now we saw formula based examples ma. Okay na, formula based examples we saw. Now we are looking ma V BODMAS rule based examples ma. V BODMAS rule based ma. In last class I told ma V BODMAS ma. V is nothing but ma vinculum, R bar, B means ma bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. In last class I clearly shown ma V is nothing but ma vinculum, R bar, B ma bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. That is always remember. And already and one more thing I told ma, brackets majorly three types ma. Brackets are majorly three types. That is also shown clearly in last class ma. Now it is ma open bracket, first preference. Next ma flower bracket, second preference. Next ma close bracket ma third preference. Open, flower and close ma. These are the three types of brackets ma. Last class I shown clearly ma. Now as per that ma, first example ma 7 plus 7 plus 7 divided by 7. As per the BODMAS rule ma, as per the BODMAS rule, first preference ma, first preference for bracket ma, first preference for bracket. First of all we have to finish for bracket ma. 7 plus 7 plus 7 how much ma? 21. 21 by 7 ma, 21 by 7. 21 by 7 means what is the answer ma? 3. Answer ma 3. 21 by 7. What is the answer ma? 3. Okay now next one ma. I gave same numbers ma. I gave same numbers, but here bracket is there. Here bracket is not there. When bracket is not there ma, only two symbols are there. Addition as well as ma division. Addition, division. As per the BODMAS rule ma, in addition and division, which is the first preference ma? Division. After completion of division only, we should move the addition ma. Addition. Okay na? Now tell me ma 7 by 7 ma. 7 by 7 is how much ma? 1. So 7 plus 7 14. 14 plus 1 ma 15. 15 ma. So what is the answer ma? 15. 15. Right ma? As per BODMAS rule, first division. After completion of division only ma, then we should move to the addition. Right ma? Next ma. 125 into 25 divided by 5 plus 8 ma. 125 into 25 by 5 plus 8. As per BODMAS rule ma, here three symbols are there. Into, division, addition. First preference for which one ma? Division. 25 by 5 ma. 25 by 5 how much ma? 5. That is finish. Next ma into 125 into 5 ma. 125 into 5 how much ma? 625 plus 8. 625 plus 8 ma. Nothing but ma 633. 633 ma. 633. Next ma 1 divided by 2 by 7 of 63 by 10. Division of ma. Division of. First preference or which one ma? Of. So what will happen ma? Shall you see now? 1 divide by 2 by 7 of nothing but into mixed fraction ma 6 3 by 10 ma mixed by conversion of that ma 10 6 are 60 plus 3 ma 63 by 10 7 1 7 nines 2 ones 2 fives 1 divide by 9 by 5 so we can get as ma 1 into 5 by 9 nothing but ma 5 by 9 what is the answer ma 5 by 9 once try these two ma try those two examples ma try that tell me the answer ma try that 3 by 8 of 5800 divide by 4007 of 4 by 7 of 4200 and one more by 30 minus of 2 into 6 plus 15 divide by 3 plus 8 into 3 divide by 4 ma. Once try that ma. Right ma. Some people are giving 29 by 32 for the first question ma. Shall we see now whether it is right or wrong ma. Now 3 by 8 of 5008 ma first of all ma. As per board master ma of division of ma three symbols ma of division of as per board master first preference for ma of by cancel with 8 ma 8 ones 8 sevens ma 56 2 balance ma 20 20 means ma 8 twos are 16 4 balance ma 48 5 3 into 7 25 ma 3 into 7 25 that is the one thing Okay na? And next ma, and next is 4 by 7 of nothing but into ma 4200 7176 4 into 600 in between ma division symbol is there nothing but ma by so by 4 into 600 by cancelling my 3 ones 3 twos if you cancel with 25 table ma 25 eights 25 twos 50 22 225 ma 25 nines so what is the answer ma 29 by 4 eights ma 32 right ma 28 by 32 is correct answer ma now what about this ma next one ma what about that one ma it is clear 29 by 31 that is clear right answer ma what about next ma 7 now as per Bodmas rule as per Bod 7 19 12 right ma so as per Bodmas rule ma first preference ma bracket in bracket ma into addition division ma three symbols ma in bracket ma into addition division so first of all ma so at first ma bracket in bracket ma into addition division. First we have to finish ma division. 15 by 3 how much ma 5. Next ma into 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 5 ma 17. So 30 minus 17 plus 8 into 3 by 4. 8 into 3 by 4. Right ma? 8 into 3 by 4. What will happen ma? 4 twos 2 threes how much ma? 6. 6. So 30 plus 6 ma 30 plus 6 ma 36 minus 17. So what is the answer ma 19 ma 19. Answer is ma 19. Right ma answer is ma 19 ma 19. Okay na as per Bodmas rule ma first bracket in bracket ma three symbols are there ma division next ma multiplication next ma addition right ma now next now try this ma sorry ma try this ma 5 by 3 into 7 by 51 of 17 by 5 minus 1 by 3. Divide by 2 by 9 into 5 by 7 of 28 by 5 minus 2 by 3. Tell me which option is for that. As per my Bodmas rule bar here, into of minus bar into of minus bar as per Bodmas rule of nothing but ma into. So here also into ma here also into that means this entire thing into only ma entire thing into only okay now as per Bodmas rule what will cancel ma here if you observe carefully ma 5 gets cancelled 17 1 17 threes so what is balance ma 7 by 3 into 3 ma 9 minus 1 by 3 that is the numerator right ma next ma here ma what will cancel ma 5 cancel 7 fours that means 2 fours are 8 by 9 8 by 9 minus 2 by 3. Right, ma? In last class, I told ma already subtraction of fractions, ma. Here, ma 9, 3 denominators, ma. By taking LCM, by taking cross, or by equating the numerator and by equating the denominators, ma. By equating denominator. So, how to equate, ma? Here, 9 is here, ma. In 3 table, 9, how many times, ma? 3 times. By multiplying 3, ma. By multiplying 3 becomes equal. So 9, 9 becomes same. Ma. So what will happen, ma? 7 minus 3, that means 4 by 9. Divide by, here also by multiplying 3, ma, becomes equal. 9, 9 same. So 8 minus 6, ma, nothing but ma, 2 by 9. 9, 9 cancel, ma, 2 ones, 2 twos. So what is the answer, ma? 2. Option C. Option C, ma. Right, ma? Answer is option C, ma. Now, next, ma. Try this, ma. Once try this ma. First preference for which bracket ma? Open. Second preference ma? Flower. Third preference ma? Close. Right ma? As per BODMAS rule ma, first preference ma, open bracket ma, open bracket. Okay na? First of all, we have to finish this thing ma, this thing. That subtraction of fractions ma, in last class I told ma, you are comfortable way ma by taking LCM or by taking cross or by taking percentage ma. We can simply anyway ma. Now I am taking ma percentage ma, percentage. What is the 1 ma? Half means 50 percentage. 1 by 2 ma 50 percentage. 1 means ma 100 percentage. So it is entire ma 1 and half. Nothing but ma it is 150% ma. 150%. So 1 means 100% ma, half means ma 50. So 1 and half nothing but ma 150 percentage. It is ma 33.33, 16.66. 33.33, 16.66 ma. Both are negative symbols ma, by adding ma 49.99, nothing but 50%. That means it is entire thing ma 150% minus 50%. 150% minus 50 percentage. 150% minus 50 percentage ma. 150% minus 50%, nothing but how much percent ma? 100%, nothing but equals to 1. So this entire answer is 1. That is finished. Entire answer 1 ma, that is finished. That is finished. Now next what is balance ma? 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. 1 nothing but 100 percentage. 1 by 4 nothing but 25% ma. So it is 125% minus 50% ma. 125% minus 50 percentage. Nothing but how much percentage ma? 75. 75% is nothing but we can write as ma 3 by 4. 75% ma 3 by 4. Right ma? Up to here finish. 75% ma 3 by 4. Now mixed fraction ma, mixed fraction by conversion of that ma, 4 3 is 12 plus 1. 12 plus 1 how much ma? 13 by 4. Division make it as into what we got ma? 3 by 4. Reverse ma 4 by 3. 4 4 cancel ma 13 by 3. That is finished. Before that, what is we are having ma? 8 1 by 2. 8 1 by 2 ma. By simplifying, what will give ma? 2 8 8 16 plus 1. How much ma? 17 by 2 minus up to here what we got ma? 13 by 3. So fraction of fraction, percentage, LCM, you are comfortable. I am taking my based on the numbers, you have to choose the easy method. Your convenient way. Okay, now I am choosing my cross. 17 threes are 51 minus 26. 51 minus 26. How much one? 25 by 6. 25 by 6 options in not there. All the options are mixed format. So bring to mixed 6 fours 24. So 4 1 by 6. 4 1 by 6. So option B. 4 1 by 6. But here while doing the simplifications, you should remember that whatever the possibility for you make the reduce steps don't write too much lengthy don't write too much lengthy. First of all, try to reduce the steps try to reduce. Don't write too much lengthy, don't write all the steps some steps do that oral possibility, whatever the possibility for you make the reduce the steps okay right next now try this 7 divided by 0.125 into 10 divided by 10 by 3. Now 7 divided by 0.125 7 divided by 0.125. Okay now? If you remove the point, you will get how many zeros 3 zeros. Because after point 3 numbers if you remove the point you will get the 3 zeros into 10 divide by 10 by 3 divide by 10 by 3 how can you write into 3 by 10. 10 gets cancelled next what will happen 25 fives 25 twos are 50 20 200 25 eights 5 ones 5 fives are 25 3 balance 30 means 5 6 so 56 into 3 56 into 3 how much 168. 56 into 3 168 168. So what is the option option C. Right 7 divided by 0.125 if you remove the point you will get 3 zeros 3 zeros next 10 into division make it as into fraction reverse reverse order right now next now once try this try this 2 3 by 4 divide by 1 5 by 6 divide by 7 by 8 into 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 5 by 7 divide by 3 by 4 of 3 by 7 now as per BODMAS rule first of all bracket Before that ma, here ma, mixed fraction ma, 2 3 by 4, 2 3 by 4 ma, mixed fraction ma, what will happen ma, it is, it is also you can do it ma, actual bar from 4 plus 3, 4 plus 3 how much ma it is, 7 by 12. This answer was 7 by 12. Okay, na 7 by 12. Now 2 3 by 4 mixed fraction ma, by conversion of that ma, 4 to the 8 plus 3 how much ma, 11 by 4 divided by 1 5 by 6, by conversion ma, 6 1 the 6 plus 5 ma, 11 by 6, by taking reverse ma, by taking upside becomes for reverse order, so into 6 by 11 divided by 7 by 8 ma, divide by 7 by 8 into 8 by 7 into, what is the bracket value ma, 7 by 12 plus, here ma, after plus ma, division of, two symbols are there, division of, as per Bodmas rule, first preference ma off, after completion of off only we should move to the division ma, off nothing but ma, into so what will happen is ma, 3 3 is a 9 by 28, 9 by 28, this answer is ma, 9 by 28, 9 by 28. Okay na, now plus we wrote ma, 5 by 7 division 9 by 28 ma, division 9 by 28, how can we write ma, division make it as ma, into 28 by 9, right ma, this entire is into ma, plus this is into ma, right ma, first of all into part ma, first of all we finish the into part ma, finish the into part, what will ma, gets cancelled, 7 7 gets cancelled ma, 11 11 cancel, 4 2s, 6 2s, 12 12 gets cancelled. Here nothing is balanced entirely cancelled but nothing is balanced, nothing but what is the answer ma, 1 plus, here ma, what we can cancel ma, 7 4s, 5 fours ma, 20, 20 by 9, 9 ones and 9 plus 20 ma, 9 plus 20 nothing but ma, 29 by 9, it is answer. But 29 by not there in your options pa, but one option is in mixed format, shall you see now whether we are getting all that ma, so 9 ones 9 threes 27, how much balance ma, 2, so what you can write ma, 3 2 by 9, 3 2 by 9, okay ma, 3 2 by 9 ma, so option D, option D ma, 3 2 by 9 ma, okay na, whatever the possible ma, first of all try to reduce the steps ma, reduce the steps. Next ma, now try this ma, under root of 333 by 64 divide by under root of 9 1 by 7 into 2 into under root of 3 1 by 9 ma. Advice, this simplification is ma, major important ma, in bank examinations ma, you will get the 5 marks from this only ma, it's a very easy and very scoring thing ma, try that ma. Under root of 333 by 64 divide by under root of 9 1 by 7 into 2 into under root of 3 1 by 9. First formula, division into ma, division into two symbols are there ma, so different roots are there ma. First of all try to bring all into one root ma, all bring into one root ma, one root, okay na. Now shall we see now, it is one mixed fraction ma, so by conversion of this what will happen ma, 64 into 3 ma, 64 into 3 how much ma, 192, 192 plus 33 ma, 192 plus 33 ma, 192 plus 33 how much ma, 225. by 64. Division 9 1 by 7 ma. Mixed fraction ma. Convert that ma. 7 nines are 63 plus 1 ma. 63 plus 1 how much ma? 64 by 7 ma. Actually 64 by 7 ma. But division is there ma, division. So that will become for reverse division, make it as into ma. 7 by 64. 7 by 64. 7 by 64. Right ma. Now that is finished into this 2 keep as it is outside only ma, outside only. Now mixed fraction ma, conversion of that ma. 9 3s are 27 plus 1. 27 plus 1 how much ma? 28 into ma, so no asterisk ma, into 28 by 9. Outside 2 is there ma, write down 2 asterisks, 2 asterisks, right ma. First of all entire bring to single root. Now observe ma, what is the under root of 225 ma? 225 which square ma? 15 square. So nothing but 15 by 64. What is the root 64 value ma? 8 into root 64 means ma 8 into 9 means ma 3. Okay now 64 means 8, 64 means 8, 9 means ma 3. This 28 ma, how can I break ma? 7 we can't write. That's why whenever you're not able to write ma, by multiplying we can proceed, or 28 we can break it as ma 7 into 4. Okay now 7 into 4 we can break it as ma. So 2 sevens are there ma. So bring the one side, one 7 outside ma, into 7 root 4. Root 4 is nothing but ma 2. And 1 2 outside ma, take it as it is ma, into 2. Is it clear ma? Now observe ma, any cancellation ma, any cancellation ma. 3 ones, 3 fives. 2 into 2 ma, 4 twos. What is the balance ma? 5 into 7 ma, 35. 35 by 8 twos ma, 16. 35 by 16 is the answer. But 35 by 16 is not there. But some options are related with ma. By looking in denominator 16. So what is the possibility of option D? You can do also ma, but by looking the option we can decide option D is the answer, because in denominator 16 ma only single option ma, no need to do further step. If you wanted to do ma, you can do it also ma. So by doing ma 16 1 16 2s, 3 balance ma 2 3 by 16. Answer ma 2 3 by 16. Right ma, 2 3 by 16 ma. Clear? Bring first of all into single root, but then we can proceed. Now try this one. It's very simple ma. Try that. First preference for which bracket ma? Open ma. Open. Try that ma. Simple one. What's the answer ma? Some are saying option A. So first preference ma, which bracket ma? Open. 3 minus 6 ma. 3 minus 6 means how much ma? Minus 3. Minus into minus ma, plus 3 3s 9. 9. 4 minus 9. 4 minus 9 how much ma? Minus 5. 5 minus of minus ma, plus 5 plus 5 means ma 10 ma. Answer ma 5 plus 5, answer is ma 10. Right ma? So first don't write ma steps ma, try to do in that only ma, in that only ma. Okay now first ma 3 minus 6 minus 3, minus 3 into minus 3 ma 9, 4 minus 9 minus nothing but minus 5, 5 minus into minus ma, plus 5 plus 5 ma 10. So what is the answer ma? 10 ma. Right ma? Next ma. Now try this ma. It is 8.7 minus 7.6 minus 6.5 minus 5.4. This 4.3 minus 2 is under bar ma. 4.3 minus 2 is under bar. It's not by ma, it is bar ma. So this one beside of this ma, beside of this, beside of that. 'As per BODMAS rule, ma, first preference bar. Here, one thing you should remember that, ma, for bar, there is no symbols, ma. Don't imagine that that is the bar indicates minus or bar indicates bar. Bar does not having any symbol. Bar just, ma, indicates only preference. First of all, we should finish the bar part. That thing only, ma. Okay, na? Don't imagine that any symbol, ma. So first of all, ma, 4.3 minus 2. First, we should finish this thing, ma. 4.3 minus 2, how much more? 2.3. 2.3. So 5.4 minus 2.3 ma. 5.4 minus 2.3. 5.4 minus 2.3. How much for 5.4 minus 2.3 means ma? 3.1. 3.1. That is finished. 6.5 minus 3.1 ma. 6.5 minus 3.1 means ma? 3.4. 7.6 minus 3.4 7.6 minus 3.4 how much ma? 4.2. 8.7 minus 4.2 ma. 8.7 minus 4.2 how much ma? 4.5. Answer ma 4.5. Right ma? Here ma, is it your first preference bar? Bar does not indicate any the symbols ma. Bar indicates only preference ma. Bar does not will have any symbols. Okay now. Now 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 by 9 plus 2 by 3 ma, plus 2 by 3. Right ma, as per BODMAS rule ma, first preference for open bracket ma. So in open bracket ma, addition division ma, two symbols ma. In open bracket ma, addition division two symbols are there. As per the BODMAS, first preference for which one ma? Division. 3 by 9. 3 by 9 nothing but ma, 3 by 9 nothing but how much ma? 1 by 3. That is finished. Actually, we should do step by step. Just we should add the plus 3. Further, we should add the plus 3. We should add in such way. But here shortcut is ma. Here shortcut is. Actually, we should move ma step by step backward. But it will take little bit some time ma. If you observe carefully in this problem, not always ma. If you observe ma, all addition symbols ma, there is no negative symbol is there in the question. All addition symbols. That's why no need to do step by step ma. At a time we can add entire one because all addition symbols are there ma. At a time we can do all additions ma. So by adding that ma, what will happen ma? 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 3 9. 9 plus 3 ma 12. So 12. So what will happen ma? 12 plus 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. Here we can add, not always ma, because all addition symbols are there. That's why we can add directly. Now what will happen ma, by adding these two ma? 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 ma, denominators are same. When denominators are same ma, addition of numerators 1 plus 2 ma 3. 3 by 3 nothing but 1. So 12 plus 1. What is the answer ma? 13. 12 plus 1 answer is ma 13. 13. 12 plus 1 answer is ma 13. Is it clear ma? Now next ma. Once try that ma, ninth as well as 10th ma. Try that ninth, 10th ma. Right, ma. Some people are giving first question answer is one, ma. First question answer is one. So, right, ma. Right, ma. One is correct, ma. 125 by 25 divided by 5. This kind of model, ma, we should simplify from forward direction, ma, from front. So, 125 by 25, how much, ma? 5. Next, ma, 5 by 5. 5 by 5, ma, 1. Right, ma. 1 is correct answer, ma. 125 by 25, ma. 5. 5 by 5, ma. 1, ma. This model we should simplify from forward, ma. From forward. Next one, ma. 8 by 88 of double eight, double eight, zero, double eight, ma. So as per board boss rule, ma, first preference for bracket, ma. 8 by 88. 8 by 88, nothing but ma, 1 by 11 into double eight, double eight, zero, double eight, ma. By cancelling with my 11, 11 eights are 88. Actually, you should take my single digit. But whenever you wanted to take my two digits, ma, whenever you need to take two digits, ma, at that time you should write the 0. 11 eights. This 0 as it is. Again, we need to take my two digits, ma. So that's why we should write the 0, ma. 0, 11 eights. So what is the answer, ma? 808 008, ma. Right, ma. 808 008, ma. Correct answer. Right, ma. Now, next, ma. Now try this one. Question mark by 396 is equals to 11 by question mark. Question mark by 396 is equals to 11 by question mark. Now when on these kind of models will be there, ma, first of all by cross multiplying, ma, by cross multiplying, what will happen, ma, by cross multiplying, ma, question mark into question mark, ma, question mark square is equals to 11 into 396. Okay, no? 11 into 396. So whenever we got the square, ma, here ma, definitely it should be in the square format, ma. First of all, we should break into square format, ma. Here, ma, by multiplying, by finding the square root, we can get the answer. That is the one kind of. Otherwise, ma, just ma, break it, ma, break it. Already, ma, here we are having 11. Now try to split, ma, this is also in 11 table, ma, 11 table, because we are having ma, 11, ma, try to split in 11 table, ma. In 11 table, ma, 11 threes 33. How much ma? 6 balance 66. 3 balance ma 36 ma. Nothing but 11. 3 11 3 is a 33. 3 balance 6 balance ma 66. 11 6. 11 6. Okay na? Now what we got ma? 11 square into 36 is nothing but which square ma? 6 square. It is the value of question mark square, ma, question mark square. Part we require the question mark only. So what is the question mark value becomes, ma? 11 into 6. 11 into 6. So how much, ma? 66. So what is the answer, ma? 66. Answer, ma? 66. Clear, ma? Now, same kind of problem, ma. Once try this, ma. For what value of the star, the statement star by 21 into star by 118 equals to 1. Once try that, ma. Any answers, ma? Star by 21 into star by 118 and equals to 1. What is the value of the star? Now by multiplying ma star into star, nothing but ma star square. Star square is equals to 21 into 189. So here ma 21. Now split in 21 table. Already we know the 21 ma. Try to split in 21 ma. In 21 table, if you observe carefully ma, 21 nines. 21 nines ma. Nothing but ma 21 nines pa. Option C 63. Right pa. Option C ma 63 are saying some people. Right pa. So it is 21 square. 9 nothing but ma 3 square. It is star square. That means then what is the value of star ma? 21 into 3. 21 into 3. How much ma? 63. 21 into 3 ma 63. So what is the answer? Option C ma. Right pa. Option C ma correct answer. Option C. Right pa. Now try this ma. In the place of question mark, what will comes ma? Try that ma. In the place of question mark, what will comes? Right, ma? Now sound is clear, ma? Now sound is clear, ma? Right, ma? Is it clear? Now is it audible to for all of you? Okay, na, ma? Is it clear? Right, ma? Clear? Okay, no. Right, ma? Now we'll continue, ma. Right, ma? Shall we now? Now, 4 3 by 4 into 1500 divided by 1 9 by 10 into 250, ma. 4 3 by 4 into 1500 divided by 1 9 by 10 into 250, ma. Right, ma? Now, mixed fraction 4 for the 16 plus 3, ma. 16 plus 3 how much, ma? 19 by 4 into 1500 divide by 1 9 by 10, ma. 10 means the 10 plus 1, ma. 19 by 10, 19 by 10 into 250, 19 by 10 into 250, 19 by 10 into 250, ma. Now 19 ma anyway gets cancelled, ma. 19 gets cancelled, ma. Still, ma, 0 gets cancelled. 25 6 150, 2 twos, 2 threes. It will become, ma, 3 by 2 into reverse order, ma, 10 by 1, 2 fives. So 3 fives, how much, ma? 3 fives, ma? 15, 15. So what is the answer? Option A, ma. Option A, ma. Right, ma? Mixed fraction, ma. First of all convert and then we can proceed. Right, ma? Now, next, ma. Now, whenever, ma, this kind of model, ma. Now, under root of 8 plus under root of 57 plus under root of 38 plus under root of 108 plus under root of 169, ma. Whenever these kind of models are there, ma, this kind, ma, don't write, ma, try to write lot of steps, ma. This kind of model, ma, simplify from back, ma. Simplify from back. First of all, simplify, ma. What is the root 169, ma? Root 169 is nothing but how much, ma? 13. Root 169, ma, 13, ma. 108 plus 13, ma. 108 plus 13. 108 plus 13, how much, ma? 121. Root 121 is nothing but, ma, 11. 11. That is finished, ma. That is finished. Okay, now. Now, 38 plus 11, ma. 38 plus 11, ma. 49. Root 49. Root 49 is nothing but, ma. 7. 7. 7. Okay, now. Now, 57 plus 7, ma. 57 plus 7, ma. 64. Root 64, nothing but, ma. 8. 8 plus 8, ma. Root 16. Root 16 means how much, ma? 4. Answer, ma, 4. Option A. Option, ma. Don't write, ma, steps, ma. Internally finish in that only, ma. We should simplify from back to front, ma. Back to front, ma. Root 169, 13. 108 plus 13, ma. 121, ma. Nothing but, ma. 11. 38 plus 11, ma. 49, ma. 7. 57 plus 7, ma. 64. 8. 8 plus 8, ma. 16. What is the answer, ma? 4. Right, ma? Now, next, ma. Now, question is 16 to the power of 0.25 plus question mark to the power of 0.22 is equals to 5. If you observe, ma, in generally, ma, in powers, we can't get the decimals, ma. Generally, powers normal numbers only, ma. But in our problem, ma, in power point numbers are there, ma, decimal numbers, ma. Whenever decimal numbers are there, ma, first of all, we should convert as a normal, ma. Convert as a normal. Now, 16 we can write as, ma, 16 we can write as two ways. We can write as 4 square, we can write, or 2 power 4. Your convenient way, ma. You can write any way, you will get same, ma. We are able to write, ma, 2 power 4 or 4 square. I am writing as the 2 power 4, ma. So 16 I am writing, ma, 2 power 4 whole power 0.25 plus question mark power 0.22 we can write as, ma, 2 by 10. Okay, na? If you remove the decimal, ma, after 0.1 number, if you remove that, ma, 2 by 10 is equals to 5. Right, ma? Now what will happen, ma? It is in the format of a power m whole power n ma. A power m whole power n. That means a power mn ma. That means 2 power 4 into 0.25 ma. 4 into 0.25 means how much ma? 1 plus question mark power 2 ones 2 fives. 1 by 5 is equals to 5 plus 2 becomes as ma minus 2. 5 minus 2 means ma 3. So question mark power 1 by 5 is equals to 3. It is question mark power 1 by 5. We require question mark only ma. Then what is the question mark will becomes ma? 3 to the power of 1 by 5 becomes as well power 5 ma. 3 power 5. 3 power 5 is nothing but ma 3 into 3 into how many times ma? 5 times. 3 into 3 into 5 times ma how much ma? 243. 3 into 3 into 5 times 243. So what is the answer? Option D. Option D. Okay, ma. Option D is your answer, right, ma? Now next, ma. Now once try that, ma. The value of cubed root of 0.2 into 0.2 into 0.2 plus 0.04 into 0.04 into 0.04 by 0.4 into 0.4 into 0.4 plus 0.08, 0.08, 0.08, ma. Once try that, ma. Now, if you observe, generally so many people are thinking about whether it is any formula. It is not any formula format, but we feel it's look like formula, but it's not formula format. Observe carefully, ma. Point to actually 3 times repeated. Some people will think whether it is a cube or b cube such kind, but no, it's not such kind. If you observe carefully, ma, here 0.2, here 0.4. That means the value in denominator, ma, double of numerator, ma. The value in denominator, ma, double of the numerator. Double, 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 double. Every value in denominator ma double to the numerator value, double to the numerator value. Now, just ma we are talking only denominator ma. I am talking about only denominator ma. So this 0.4 ma, this 0.4 can I write ma 2 into 0.2 into next 0.4 of same 2 into 0.2, next one of same 2 into 0.2 plus this 0.08 ma 0.08 ma I am writing as ma 2 into 0.04, 2 into 0.04, 2 into 0.04, 2 into 0.04. Yes, I am talking only denominator ma. I am talking about only denominator. Okay now observe 2 2 2 here also ma plus 2 2 2. Now 2 into 2 ma 4, 4 into 2 ma 8. Here also same 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8. In both 8 is a common ma, common. By taking 8 as a common, 8 is a common. What is the balance ma? 0.22 into 0.22 into 0.22 plus here also 8 by taking common ma 0.04 into 0.04 into 0.04. Yes, I am talking about only denominator, but denominator. Now observe carefully, ma. It is denominator. In numerator and denominator, ma, 0.2 into 0.2 into 0.4. Same thing we got in denominator also. That means what happens, ma? This one and this one gets cancelled. Just what is the balance, ma? 8. That 8 also will balance in denominator. That means cubed root of 1 by 8. 1 by 8. 8 will balance in my denominator. This entire thing is cancelled. The remaining thing is cancelled. Cubed root of 1 by 8. 8 is the which cube? 2 cube. So what is the answer of this? 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Nothing but 0.5. 1 by 2 nothing but 0.5. Is it clear, ma? Okay, now it is looking like any formula format, but it is not formula format. Just ma, the values are in denominator, ma, double to the numerator values, double to the numerator values. Right, ma? Now, Now 0.3555, 0.5555 into 2.025 by 0.225 into 1.2, such kind ma. This models ma, I said in last class ma, decimal based problems for this model. Whenever these kind of problems will arise ma, first of all we should observe ma, point is after how many numbers ma, in numerator as well as in denominator. Now count. Hereafter three numbers, four numbers ma. 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 4 ba 11. In numerator ma, point is after 11 terms, okay na? In denominator observe ma, 4, 4, 3, 4 plus 4 ba 8, 8 plus 3 ma 11. Here also point is after 11 terms. In numerator also point is after 11 terms. In denominator also point is after 11 terms. That means equal there. So we can cancel the points. So just remove the points. By removing of the points, what is the balance? Shall we check now? Three triple five into double five into 2025 by 225 into 1775 into double two. Now it's became normal numbers. Now our convenient your convenient table. You can take any table, your wish. Now if I take the five table, five ones, okay na? Now 5 3s 15, 2 balance 27, 5 5s, 2 balance 5 5s, 5 5. 3 triple 5, 3 triple 5 ma gets cancelled. Double one, double two. Exactly how many times ma? 2 times. Double of that, 2 times. Okay na? Now 225 ma exactly here ma 9 times. 225 ma 9 times. So finally what is the balance ma? 9 by 2. 9 by 2. 9 by 2 means 9 by 2 not in your options. All the options are in point format ma. 9 by 2 means nothing but half of the 9. What is the half of 9 ma? 4.5. So what is the answer? Option C. Option C ma. If fraction is there ma 9 by 2, but fractions are not there ma. If in a point format, so 4.3. Based on the options ma, sometimes they will give the option in decimals or mixed format or normal fraction ma. Based on the options we have to choose the answer, right ma? Now 7 power 6.4 into 8 power 2.2 into 56 power 3.7 into 64 power 2.1 into 56 power question mark ma. Before that ma, we learned in school maths also ma. These two formulas are useful here ma. One is a power m into a power n. When bases are equal ma, powers we will add a power m plus n. That is ma, we learned in school maths ma, 5th, 6th, 7th maths ma, a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. That is the one thing. And one more thing ma, it is also a power m, b power m ma, in between two only, but bases different ma. Then this one how can we write ma? ab whole power m. Whenever ab whole power m, we can split this one as ma, a power m into b power m. These two formulae are useful here ma. Now question, observe the question ma. 7 power 6.4 into 8 power 2.2 into 56 power 3.7 into 64 power 2.1 is equals to 56 power question mark. Question mark is there for 56 ma. So question mark is there for 56. That's why entire data ma convert into 56 power ma. Entire data ma convert into 56 power. Now it is clearly 56, but no problem at all. Now I will write the question also here ma. 7 power 6.4 into 8 power 2.2 into 56 power 3.7 into 64 power 2.1. Try to convert entire question in terms of 56 ma. It is clearly 56 ma, no problem at all. Now observe ma, this 64 how can we write ma? 8 square whole power 2.1. A power m whole power n ma, a power m n by multiplying ma 2 into 2.1 ma, 2 into 2.1 ma 4.2. Observe this one, bases are same. When bases are same, power addition ma. By doing the power addition both, 8 power 2.2 plus 4.2 ma. 2.2 plus 4.2 how much ma? 6.4. That is finish. That is finish. Okay na? Now observe this one ma. A power m, b power m ma. This formula, second one. In this format, what we can write ma? AB whole power m. Based on that ma, AB nothing but bases multiplication ma. 7 eighths ma. 7 eighths how much ma? 56. 56 power 6.4. 56 power 3.7. A power m into a power n ma. A power m plus n, base is equal, in between into ma. So powers addition, 56 power 6.4 plus 3.7 ma. 6.4 plus 3.7 how much ma? 10.1. 10.1. We require that thing only. In question, in power, what we'll get pa? In power, what we are reading ma? 10.1. So 10.1 means option C. Option C ma. Is it clear ma? Option C is the answer ma. So here ma, basic formulas we learned in ma. A power m into a power n. A power m plus n. That is the one formula. A b whole power m ma, we can split as ma a power m into b power m ma. Right ma? Now next. Now the question is, if under root of 4096 is equals to 64, it is a clue. It is a clue ma. Root 4096 equals 64. Then the value of under root of 40.96 plus under root of 0.4096 plus under root of 0.004096 plus under root of 0.00004096 up to 2 place of decimal sigma. Whenever this kind of problem, observe carefully ma. Our clue is root 4096 is equal to how much ma? 64. That is the clue. Observe carefully ma. Here also 4096. Here also 4096. Here also 4096 ma. Here everywhere is 4096. That means every answer should be 64 only ma. 64 only. So first of all write down ma. First answer 64 plus second answer 64 plus third answer 64 plus fourth answer also 64. Chalo write down. All 64 we wrote. Right ma? Just the thing you should observe ma, where you will get the point ma. That means decimal. Where you will get the point ma. It is ma clearly square root. Square root. Square means ma 2. 2. Okay na? Square means ma 2. So every two terms we should treat as one set ma. Every two terms treat as one set. That means inside the root, if point is after two numbers, outside one number. Inside the root, if point is after two numbers, outside should be for one number. Inside the root, if point is after four numbers, then outside should be two numbers. Okay, simply half. Inside the root, if point is after six numbers, outside should be three numbers. That should be careful. Okay, na? Half pa. Every two numbers we should treat as one set. One set. Now observe. Your point is after how many numbers pa? Two numbers. So answer in your answer, point should be after one number. So what is the answer of that ma? 6.4. 6.4. Clear ma? Now here point is after how many numbers ma? 4. 4 numbers means outside ma 2 numbers. 1, 2. So what is the answer ma? 0.64. Okay na? Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After 6 numbers point ma. After 6 numbers means in your answer ma after 3 numbers. 3 numbers. But here only 2 is there. We should write 1 0 ma. So what is the answer ma? 0.064. 0.064. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Always you will get the even only ma. Even only. Here after 8. That means an answer after 4. 4. So 1, 2. Write down 2 zeros. 0.0064. 0.0064. By doing the addition ma, final answer ma. So by doing my addition ma, If you are comfortable, ma, add oral. And that means add horizontal only, ma. If you are feeling uncomfortable, write down as a vertical, ma. Okay, based on your convenient way, ma. Okay, na? 6.4 is first one. 0.64, 0.064, 0.0064, 4, 10, 1 carry, 10, 11, 1 carry, 5, 10, 1 carry, 11, 1. 7.1104. 7.1104 means ma option C. Option C. Is it clear, ma? Okay, na? Option C, ma. Right, ma. Option C is correct answer, ma. 7.11, ma. Right, ma? Now, that means what I said, ma. First of all, our clue is 4096 is 64. First of all, write down 64 everywhere, ma. It is square root. Every two terms we should treat as one set, ma. One set, ma. Okay, na? That thing we should remember. Now the question, if the cube root of 79507 is equals to 42. Earlier I gave my square root model. Now I am giving my cube root model. If the cube root of 79507 equals to 43, then the value of 79507, 795. So same numbers. First of all, write down my every answer should be how much ma? 43. Chalo 43, 43, 43 ma. 43, 43 write down everywhere ma. 43 plus 43 plus 43. That is finish. Right ma? In earlier what I said ma? Square means 2 ma. Every two numbers we should treat as one set. In the same ma, now we are talking about ma cube. Cube. Okay na? Here ma cube means 3. 3. Every three terms we should treat as one set ma. Every three terms ma. That means in fifth root, if point is after three numbers, outside should be one number. If point is after six numbers, outside should be two numbers. Every three has one set ma. Six terms means three and three ma two sets ma. That's such case. If in case after nine numbers ma, answer should be after three numbers. Every three terms you should treat as ma one set. Now after three numbers, so in your answer ma after one number. That means what is the answer ma 4.3. Okay na? Here after ma six numbers. When answer six numbers ma three and three two sets ma. So put the point after two numbers. So 1 2 0.43. Hereafter ma 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 numbers ma 9. Whenever nine numbers ma 3 3 3 ma we can split as three sets ma. So put the point after three numbers. After three numbers ma. After three numbers ma 1 2 right and one more 0. 0.043 0.043. Do the addition of that ma. By doing the addition what will happen ma? 4.77. Yes or no? 4.773. 4.773 means which option? Option D. Option D. Okay, ma? Now I said ma for your square root model as well as ma cube root model. Right, ma? Now next. Now once try this question, ma. Try that question. Simplify 1 minus 2, 3 minus 4 whole power minus 1 ma. So in school maths we learn ma whenever ma right. For this ma we learned in the basic property a power minus n ma a power minus n, how can we write ma 1 by a power n. This thing ma we learned in school maths also ma a power minus n is equals to 1 by a to the power of n ma. That property we have to use ma. Once try that ma. Now as per BODMAS rule ma, first preference ma, first preference for which one ma? 3 minus 4, 3 minus 4 ma. Now I will show here ma, 1 minus 2, 3 minus 4 how much ma? Minus 1. Minus 1 whole power minus 1 whole to the power of minus 1. 1 minus 2, it will become for reverse. 1 by minus 1. This minus 1 ma take into denominator ma becomes positive. Now minus into minus ma plus 1 plus 2 whole power minus 1. 1 plus 2 nothing but ma 3. 3 power minus 1. 3 power minus 1 we can write as ma 1 by 3. 3 power minus 1 we can write as ma 1 by 3. So which option ma? Option B. Option B. Is it clear ma? Okay na? When the power is negative ma, if you write in denominator ma, power becomes as a positive. Positive. Option B, right ma? Option B ma 1 by 3, right ma? Now next ma. Now try this ma. Option C. Option C. Shall we see no more? As per the BODMAS rule, first preference ma open bracket. 1 by 1 nothing but ma 1. It is finished. 1 by 1 nothing but ma 1. 1 plus 1 ma 2. 1 divide by 1 by 2 ma. 1 divide by 1 by 2 means ma from here ma from here. 1 divide by 1 by 2. That means 1 into 2 by 1. Nothing but ma 2. Up to here answer is how much ma 2. So 1 divide by 2. Right ma. Option C is right ma 1 divide by 2. 1 divide by 2. Right ma. Now next. Try this one. 0.48 divide by 0.12 plus 0.04 into 25 divide by 0.05. 0.48 divided by 0.12 plus 0.04 into 25 by 0.05. Here ma, as per the BODMAS rule, first preference ma division. After that, we should move to the multiplication. Later ma addition ma. As per the division ma, after 0.2 numbers, after 0.2 numbers, so we can cancel the point. 48 by 12. 48 by 12, nothing but how much ma? 4. Plus 25 into 0.04. I said in last class ma decimals based ma. Whenever you are multiplying decimals ma, first of all ignore the decimal ma. 25 into 4 how much ma? 100. 100. Two numbers points, so put the point by 0.05. 4 plus 1 how much ma? 5 by, if you remove the point ma, 5 by 100. Right ma, option A. Some people are giving option A ma. 5 gets cancelled. What is the answer ma? 100. Answer ma 100. 100. Right ma. Answer A ma. Option is answer A ma. Okay na 100 ma. Right ma. Next ma. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube so on up to 9 cube is equals to 2025. Then the value of 0.1 cube plus 0.2 cube so on up to 0.9 cube so on up to 0.9 cube. Now our clue is 1 cube plus 2 cube. The question asking ma 0.1 cube plus 0.2 cube such kind ma. 0.1 cube plus 0.2 cube such kind ma. Now if you observe carefully ma, that one 0.1 cube plus 0.2 cube, so on up to 0.9 cube. This one we can break it as 0.1 into 1 cube. Okay na? This one how can I break 0.1 into 2. This one how can I break 0.1 into 9 cube. In all what is the common 0.1 whole cube common. By taking 0.1 whole cube as a common, what is the balance 1 cube plus 2 cube plus so on up to 9 cube. We know the answer for this one What is the answer of that one 2025. 0.1 cube 0.1 cube is nothing but 0.1 is nothing but 1 by 10. 1 by 10. Cube means that is 1 by 1000. 3 zeros. So you will get the point after 3 numbers. So what is the answer 2.025. 2.025 option A. Option A 2.025 option A right Is it clear Right, answer is option A So everywhere 0.1 cube is common 0.1 cube is nothing but 1 by 10 cube. So 1 by 1000 nothing but we will get the point after 3 numbers Right Now next. Very simple question Tell me the answer fast. 0.045 by 100. 0.045 by 100. Yes, we are dividing with 100 when multiplying with 10 right option B right so when multiplying with 10 100 such kind point moves right side, when dividing with 10 100 such kind point moves left side so here multiplying dividing by 100 two zeros are there, so 2 places moves left side only 1 zero 2 more zeros joins. So what is the answer option B 0.00045. If it is in the place of division, if it is multiplication is there then what is your answer 4.5. If it is multiplication answer will be 4.5. Okay now try this find the value of 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 divide by 3, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 3 divide by 5 fast. So as per Borderman's rule in numerator part 3 plus 3 plus 3 how much bracket first preference 3 plus 3 plus 3 option A is answer. Whether it shall we see now option whether it is right or wrong okay now 3 plus 3 plus 3 12 by 3 nothing but how much 4 by first preference division 5 by 5 nothing but 1 15 plus 1 16 4 ones for 4 right answer is option A 1 by 4 option A 1 by 4. So when people are giving option A 1 by 4 right now next now up to now we saw simplifications now we are looking approximations now anywhere from simplifications ma, in generally we will get the 5 questions ma, 5 questions ma. Sometimes in questions ma, examinations ma, they are asking ma about exact calculations ma. Up to now we say exact calculations ma. Sometimes they are asking about approximations ma, while doing the approximations ma, whenever you are doing the approximations ma, we should remember the things ma. So while doing the approximations, what is the things we should remember? V Bodmas rule, formulas, those all are the same only. Ma. Those are same. But additionally, what we should remember means while doing the approximations. Ma. First thing, whenever in your problem, ma, addition or subtraction symbols are there, ma, then we can solve the questions. Whenever ma, in problem, in general, ma, addition or subtraction symbols are there, we can solve. While solving, ma, while solving, somewhere he said ma in this way, 8.22. Whenever somewhere in this way, ma, 8.22, we can round off and take it as ma, take it as 8. Take it as 8 ma. Okay na. Whenever 0.5 below number ma, take it as previous number. In case somewhere he said ma 17.78, round off and take it as ma 18. Okay na. Whenever 0.5 below ma previous, whenever 0.5 above ma next number, right? If in case exactly 0.5 is the, in case, for example, somewhere ma 21.5, if exactly 0.5 is the ma, at that time your convenient way ma, you can take this one either you can take it as ma 21 or either you can take it as ma 22. You are convenient ma, you are comfortable ma, based on the numbers ma, based on the numbers you are comfortable. You can take anyway ma. Is it clear ma? Now whenever 0.5 below ma, take the previous. Whenever 0.5 above ma, take the next ma. Whenever exactly 0.5 is ma, you are convenient way ma, you can proceed, right ma? Whenever addition subtraction symbols are there in your question ma, we can solve the problem. While doing the problem ma, we can round off in this way, right ma? And next ma, whenever ma in your question ma, into symbol, into or division, such kind of symbols are there ma. Whenever in your question ma, into division, such kind of symbols are there. First of all, don't solve ma. First ma, see options. Whenever ma into division symbols are ma, first ma don't solve, see options ma. That means whenever you saw the options ma, if in case one option to another option, if gap is more, if distance ma, gap is more, then we can solve. In case something question is there. Option A 465, option B 531, option C 934, option D 722. Such kind is there. In case if option to option ma, very more gap is there. Whenever option to option more gap, then we can solve. The question. Okay now. Whenever ma in your problem ma, into division symbols are there. First don't solve. First see options. If option to option more gap is there, then we can solve. While solving ma, make round of same way ma. Okay na? Sometimes options will be very nearby each other ma. How it is means, for example, sometimes ma, they will give the options ma. Sometimes something question is there ma. Options like this. Option A 32, option B 34, option C 36, option D 38. Something question is there. Options are like this ma. 32, 34, 36, 38 ma. When our options are very nearby each other ma, very close to each other ma, then don't solve the question ma. Skip that. Don't solve the question ma. Okay na. In a practice time we can do ma, but in examination ma, don't try such kind of questions ma, because you will get ma lot of confusion ma, because something question is there ma, you did and you got lucky, you unfortunately you got the answer as 35 ma. Let us assume ma, unfortunately you got the answer 35. But whenever you got the answer 35, first of all you see the options, But while see the options, but 32, 34, 36, 38, such kind ma. 35 is not there in your question ma. Whenever 35 is not there, then what we'll do ma, actually nearby 35, what is the option ma? Nearby 35, what is the option ma? 34 there as well as for 32 there ma. 34, 32 ma. Two options are there as well as for 36. Nearby 35, very close options are two options ma. Back side 34, front side ma 31. At that time you will get the confusion. Which option you have to give? Which option? 35 you got, but 35 not there. Nearby 35, what are the options ma? 34 and 36 ma. At the time of examination ma, you will get the confusion ma. Some people they will do that ma. Once again they will recheck ma, recheck. But rechecking also time waste. Time waste ma. Some people they will keep any one answer ma. That is also may be correct, may not be correct. That is entirely time wasting thing only ma. Time wasting thing only ma. But the thing remember should that ma, when our options are very close to each other ma, don't solve. Skip the question. If in case you want to do compulsory, you want to do the question ma, at that time don't make round up. For example ma, somewhere like this here, 8.6 into 7.2, somewhere question is there ma, somewhere question is there. So don't make it this one of round 9, this one round 7 ma. Don't do like that ma. So if your options are very close to each other ma, take as it is. Don't round off to 9, don't round off to 7. Take as it is ma, take as it is. At that time you will get ma very accuracy answer. But it is time taking ma, time taking ma. So that's why better ma skip the question. If you want to do ma, if you want to do ma, don't round off that ma, take as it is. Is it clear ma? So what I said ma, whenever ma in approximations ma, in approximations ma, whenever addition and subtraction base we can solve, make the round of in this way ma. 0.5 above, take the next number. 0.5 below, take the previous number ma. Exactly 0.5 your comfortable way. Okay na? When problem ma, into as well as division symbols ma, into division symbols ma, first of all don't solve. See the options ma, options ma. If options are very more gap, option to option in between very more gap is there ma, then we can solve. Then we can solve. If in case options are very close to each other ma, don't solve. If you want to do solve ma, please make don't round off ma, take as it is ma, take as it is. These are the points we should remember ma while doing the approximations ma. Now we are looking at approximation exams. Now we are looking at approximate. Under root of 529.09 minus under root of 359.8. What is the approximate answer for that one? In between which symbol is there ma? Minus. When minus ma, no problem ma. So we can solve. First of all, 529.09 ma, make it as ma 529. Under root 529 minus 359.89 ma, 89. So we can round off to 360. 529 with square ma, 520 nothing but with square ma 23. For 360 no square is there ma, but if you observe carefully ma, 360 is near to 19 square ma. In last class I told ma 9 squares we should remember ma, up to 30. So 19 square value ma 361, but is a 360 ma, so approximately 19. 23 minus 19, 23 minus 19, how much ma? 4. So your answer is ma option A. Option A. Okay na? 23 minus 19 ma, answer is option A ma. Is it clear ma? Okay na? Now next ma. Now tell me the answer for this one ma. Tell me the answer. Cube root of 215.87 plus under root of 63.9, approximate ma. Option A. So 215.87 ma, 215.87 we can round off to 216. What is the cube root of 216 ma? Cube root of 216 plus under root of 64. 216 which cube ma? 6. 64 ma 8. 6 plus 8 ma 14. So what is the answer? Option A ma. Right ma. Right ma. So Apna is giving option as a A. Right ma. Option A ma. Right answer ma. Answer is ma 14. 14. Okay na. Right ma. Next ma. Now next. 25.0121 whole square minus 48.992 is equals to question mark whole square ma. In between which symbol is there ma? Minus. In between ma minus symbol. So no problem, we can do it ma. Okay na? In no problem we can do it ma. 25.0121 ma. 25.0121 we can take it as ma 25. 25. What is the 25 square ma? 625 minus 48.992, that is very close to 49, is equals to question mark square. Question mark square ma. 625 minus 49. 625 minus 49, how much ma? 576. 576 equals to question mark square. 576 which number square ma? 24 square. 24 square. So what is the answer? Option C. Option C. Right ma. Option C ma. Right ma. Option C. Now try this ma. Try this. 62.94% of 1800 minus 15.03% of 2400. Here ma of nothing but into ma. First of all, what I said ma, whenever into symbols, division symbols ma, first of all don't solve. First see the options ma. Options. How the options ma? 601, 427, 1494, 774, 1502. Options are not close ma. Option to option very more gap is ma. Hundreds of gap is ma. Options are not close. So we can solve. While solving ma, make round of 62.94. 62.94 we can round off as ma 63. 63. So we can take it as ma 63% of 1800 minus 15.03 ma, we can take it as ma 15. 15% of 2400. Right ma? Already said ma percentage ma, your comfortable way ma. 63%, we can break it as ma 60% plus 3%. What is the 10% ma? 180. 60% means 180 6 times 18 6 ma 108. So 1080 plus 3%. What is the 1% ma? 18. 3% ma? 54. 54 minus 15%. How can we break ma? 10% plus 5%. What is the 10% ma? 240. 5% ma? 120. 360, that is, it is ma 1134. 1134 minus 360, how much was? 774. Right ma? Option D is right answer ma. 774. Option D ma. 774. Option D. Right ma? Now next ma. 12.41 divide by 3.1 into 8.6. In our problem, division into two symbols are the division as well as into. Division as well as into two symbols are there. So first of all, what I said when division into first of all don't solve. See options. Options 30, 34, 30. Options were very close. Options very close. in your examination you can skip such kind of questions ma. It is a practice room ma. That's why just I show ma. I will show. It is very simple one only ma. I will show. But examination ma, sometimes very difficulty they will give ma. Very close options. At that time we have to leave the question. Okay na. Now here I will show ma. 12.41 divide by 3.1 into 8.6 ma, don't round off as 9 ma, take it as 8.6 only, take it as 8.6 ma, don't make round off to 9. Okay na. 3.1 approximately nearly how many times ma? 4 times. 4 times. Multiply ma, 4 6 are 24 to balance. 4 8 are 32 plus 2 how much ma? 34. 34.4. 34.4. What is the nearest option ma? 34. Okay na? If in case you make it as 9 ma, if you write as a 9, 4 9s are how much ma? 36 you will get ma. But 36 nearest option 34 38. At that time you will get the confusion ma. You will get the confusion. So that's why ma, whenever ma into division symbols ma, first of all try to don't do ma. If you that means first of all into division symbols ma, first see options. If options are more gap, then we can solve. If options are very close to each other ma, first of all don't try to solve ma. Say okay na. First in examination don't read. In classroom we are doing ma. Okay na. Now next ma. Now try this ma. Try this. 724.998 divide by 24.048 divide by 14.954. Any answers ma? In between division symbols ma, first of all we should see the options ma. 8 13 2 10 16 ma. 8 13 2 10 6 ma. Options are close to each other only, but very not close ma, but close only, not ma, not close, not more gap also. There's moderate options. Moderate options are there. So if you observe ma, 724.998 means that is very close to 725. 24.04 after point must start with 0 ma, so we can take it as ma 24. 14.954 we can take it as ma 15. I said already ma, when double division symbols are ma, move from forward ma, move from forward. That means 725 by 24. First of all we should finish this one ma. 725 by 24 means nearly how many times ma? 24 372. So that means 30 you will get by 30 point. 30 point. 30 by 15 ma. 30 by 15 means ma 2 point something. 2 point something. 2 point something ma. 2 point something means option C. Option C ma. Option C. Okay na. Option C ma. 2 point something. Option C ma. Okay na. First of all ma, whenever double divisions must move from back, move from front, move from forward direction. Now under root of 729 into under root of 338 ma. Under root of 729 into under root of 330. Once try that ma. Option E ma. Option E, right ma. Option E is right ma. So under root of 720. So in between into symbol ma 470, 462, 521. Options are not close and not more gaps. More gap also. Options are moderate ma moderate. So first one ma root 729 under root of 729 the which square ma is exactly 27 ma 27 into actually under root of 338 ma. For 338 ma, if you observe carefully ma, 18 square value how much ma? 324. Whereas 19 square ma 361. But we are not having the exact square value for the 338 ma. But 338 is ma lies in between of 18 square and 90 square. If it is exactly middle ma, if exactly middle, we can take it as ma 18.5. But if you observe careful ma, that is near to 18 only ma, near to 18 ma. So take it as ma 18.4. If it is exactly middle ma, take it as 18.5. But little bit near to 18 near 18 only ma. That's why take it as 18.4 ma. You can take directly 18 also ma. But sometimes you will get the confusion ma by the options ma. So if you take the 18.4 ma, then you will get the clear 8 ma. So by multiplying that ma, nearly 496 ma. 496 ma. Okay, ma. We can take it as 18 also, no problem. But sometimes you can face the problems ma, about options ma. So if you take the 18.4 ma, you will get the very close value, very close value ma. So answer is ma 496 ma. Right ma. Next. 15.08 into 12.16 plus 41.17 into 21.04 into symbols plus symbol into ma into plus into ma. Okay na? First one see options ma options 1125 1098 1132 1032 10. Options are not close ma, very not close ma. Options are little bit gap also there, little bit here gap 27 range here above 27 gap is there but here something above 100 30 gap is there ma. Options are very not close to it ma. So we can round off ma, round off 15.08 ma, we can take it as ma 15. 12.16 ma, we can take it as ma 12. 41.17 we can take it as ma 41. 21.04 ma, we can take it as ma 21. 21. Now what will happen for 15 into 12? 15 into 12, how much for 15 into 12 ma? 180. Plus 41 into 21 ma, 41 10 times 4 times 20 times ma 410 410 ma 820 plus again 1 time ma 41 861. So 180 plus 861 how much ma? 980 1041. 1041 nearest option, which option ma? 104 nearest option is 1032. That is closest option is ma 1032. Take it as ma 1032. Actually 1041 ma near to 1041 ma 1032. Okay na? Next ma 9321 plus 5406 plus 1001 divide by 498 plus 929 plus 661. We are looking approximate, not exact. Okay now, as per the BODMAS rule, first preference bar bracket. After completion of bracket bar, then we should move to the division bar. So don't add ma exact bar, just see ma roughly. It is 9000 change, 5000 change, 1000 change. Okay na? 9000 plus 5000 ma 14,000, 14,000 plus 1000 ma 15. So numerator is ma 15,000 change, 15,000 change. Okay na? Divide by 498 near to 500. Okay na? 500 plus 900 ma 1400. 1400 plus 600 ma 1400 plus 600 means ma 2000. It is 2000 change. Right ma? It is 15,000 change. It is 2000 change. See roughly ma, don't do exact ma. For 2, it is nearly how many times ma? 7 times. 7 point. 7 point means option D. Option D. Okay na ma? Okay na? Don't do exact ma. Our intention only, we are looking only approximate values ma. So first bracket addition ma 15,000 change. Second bracket ma 2000 ma. For 2000 ma 15,000 is nearly 7 times. So 7.5 is the answer. Okay na? Right ma. Next ma. 11 by 11 plus 11 into 11 by 11 by 11 into 11. All round values ma, no points are there. You will get the answer also, exact answer only you will get ma, because all normal numbers. Nowhere is point given. Okay, now first ma, this we should finish. 11 by 11 means how much ma? 1. 1 plus 11 into 1 plus 11 into 11 by 11 means ma 1. 1 by 11 into 11. Now 11, 11 cancel. 1 plus 11. How much ma? 1 plus 11 ma? 12. 12. Exact answer only 12 ma. It's not approximate answer. It is exact answer only 12. But in your options ma, is it 12 is there ma? 12 is not there. When 12 is not there ma, see the near to 12 what are the options ma? Near to 12 what are the options? Near to 12 what are the option ma? 11. So what is the answer? Option A. Option A is the answer ma. Option A. Okay na? Right ma? Next. 5500 divide by 305 into 18.95 whole square plus 6785.003. Observe ma, into symbols there, division symbols there ma, addition there. First of all, don't solve. See options. How the options ma? 12,840, 13,600, 13,280, 13,740, 14,630. Options are not close, but hundreds of gap is there. It is 13,000 change, 13,000 change, 13,000 change. But it is 600 ma, it is 280. 300 variation ma. From here to here also 140 variation is there ma. Options are not close. Ma. So no problem at all. Options are not close ma. Hundreds of variation is there ma. Options are not close. Now 5500 by 305 into 18.95 ma, we take it as ma 19. What is the 19 square ma? 361 plus 6785. Neglect that point part. Okay na? Now 5 ones, 5 1 0 0, 5 6 5 ones. 61 ma, it is nearly 6 times. Actually 61 6 times ma 366, but 361 ma. So it's close to 6 times, but not exact 6 ma, little bit lesser than only ma, but we are taking a process. So 1100 into 6 how much ma? 6600 plus 6785. By adding ma 5 8 13 1 carry 13 13384 ma. We should pick the answer ma little bit lesser than 13385 because here it is 5 change ma, 5 change. Okay na? That's why we should pick the answer ma little bit lesser than 13385. 13385 little bit lesser than which option is there ma? 13280. Option C. Option C ma, 13280 is your answer. Option C. Okay na? Next ma. Now under root question mark into 479.87 divide by 12.01 equal 179 plus 139.9. Into division symbols ma, first see options. 3600 options are not close. Ma. So we can round off ma. How can we take ma? Root question mark into 479 point ma, we can take it as ma 480 by 12 is equals to 179. Take it as ma 140. 179 plus 140 how much ma? 179 plus 140 means 179 140 270 310 319 1240s. In 40 table ma nearly 8 times because 48 320 but 319 is there ma. So nearly 8 times. Root question mark is equals to 8. If it is 8 ma, inside the root what will be ma? 8 square. That means ma 64. Question mark value is how much ma? 64 ma. Question mark value ma 64. Option C ma. Question mark value ma, what is the answer? Option C ma, 64. Okay na? Now we are moving to next option. Next question ma. What is the next question ma? 629 divided by 9.02 minus 139.996 divided by 7.06. Division minus. First see options. 75, 35, 50. Options are not close. Something gap is there, ma. So we can no problem, ma. 629 by 9, ma. 629 by 9 minus 139.996, ma. We can take it as ma 140 by 7. 7, how many times, ma? 20 times. It is, ma, in 9 table, 9 sevens are 63. It is nearly ma 70. Because actually 9 sevens are 63 ma 630 ma. 630. 9 into 70 ma 630. It is close to that ma 629. So 70 minus 20. What is the answer, ma? 50. 70 minus 20 ma. Answer is ma 50. 50 means option C. Option C. Right, ma? Is it clear, ma? Now we are moving to next one. Next example. What the next one, ma? 45% of 401 divided by 3 minus question mark is equals to 6.022. 6.022. Right, ma? Now, as per the BODMAS rule, ma, first of all, bracket off. First, we should give the preference for ma off. Off. Okay, na? So this one, ma, round off to 400. 400, ma. 400, ma. Options also not close. Not close. 45% of 4, ma. 45% means, ma, 50% minus 5%. 50% means half. What is the half, ma? 200. 200 minus 5% means, ma, 20. 200 minus 20, how much, ma? 180. So this entire answer is 180 by 3. 180 by 3 means how much, ma? 60. 60 minus question mark is equals to 6. So question mark equals 60 minus 6 mark 54. 60 minus 6 mark 54. 54 nearest option is ma 15. 54 nearest option is ma 52. Okay, na, ma? Is it clear, ma? Okay, na? As per BODMAS rule, first preference of, after completion of that one, we should move to the division, ma. Division. Okay, na? Next. 55% of 259.96 minus question mark minus 54 is equals to 19. As per BODMAS rule, ma, first of all, off this thing. This one we can round off as ma 260. Okay, na? 260. 260. 55%. How to take the 55%, ma? 50% plus 5%. 50% means, ma, half. What is the half of 260, ma? 130 plus 5% means 13. 130 plus 13, ma, how much, ma? 143. That answer is 143. 143 minus question mark, but take to the side, becomes positive question mark. Positive question mark. Okay. 143. I'm writing here. 143 minus 54 is equals to question mark plus 90. 143 minus 54, ma. 143 minus 54, how much, ma? 13 minus 4, ma. 13 minus 4, 9. 9. 3, ma. 13 minus 5 means, ma, 89. 89 minus 90 equal to question mark. 89 minus 90, how much, ma? 70. 70. So what is the answer, ma? Option B. Option B. Answer, ma, option B, 70. Okay, ma? Is it clear? Next, ma. Seven into 23.846 minus question mark is equals to this one, ma, beside of this. Beside of this. Okay, na? 7 into 23.846 minus question mark is equals to under root of 18 by 2 plus 4.06 whole square, ma. Now observe, ma, into there, division there. 143, 163, 183, 173, 120. Options are very not close, ma. Little bit moderate only, ma, not close. So we can note down, ma, 23.846, ma, very close to 24. That means 7, this one as, ma, we can take it as, ma, 24. 7 into 24, how much was 7 into 24 ma? 7 into 20 ma, 140 plus 28 ma, 168. That is 168 ma. 168 minus question mark is equals to under root of what we can write ma? 18 by 2 means 9 plus take it as ma 4. Take it as 4. 4.06 ma. Take it as 4. 4 square. What is the 4 square ma? 16. 16 plus 9 ma 25. And root of 25 is nothing but ma 5. 168 minus question mark equals 5 ma. So take the question mark that side ma. Question mark equals to 168 minus 5. How much ma? 163. Right ma. 163. 163 is right answer ma. 163 right answer ma. Okay na? Right ma. Now right ma, up to now we saw ma, this is my entire simplifications ma. So first we discussed ma we discussed ma fractions based, decimals based, squares, square roots, cubes, cube roots, as well as ma V bot ma rule oriented, formula oriented, percentage oriented ma. Okay na, these are all the things ma we have to know ma. And as well as ma in final ma we saw approximations also ma. Just ma practice well ma, simplifications ma very easy thing and scoring thing ma in bank examinations ma. Definitely you will get ma 5 questions ma from this ma. So majorly you have to focus on ma basic operation ma. In this simplifications ma not only particular topic ma, it is important for all topics also ma. Right ma. Now